Much. Good speaking with you. Appreciate you joining in with that perspective. It's always a pleasure and hope to catch up with you once we have the full set of results. Well, the market is swinging widely, isn't it? I mean, we were down 20, then down 80 and down 20 again. So that impulse to try and buy the dip is very much evident. It's there on your screen, back above 17,300 once again. And overall market breadth, just even if you can have the advanced decline, that is flipped again. I mean, there are, when last time I checked, 15 minutes back, 300, 400 stocks outpaced declines more than advances. And look at the crisscross which is playing out. So it's a pretty choppy kind of sort of day, not just on the Nifty, but for the broader market as well, which we are continuing to track. Sonia, I mean, the big talking point, of course, has been festive-related consumption. And I think we've got a stock check ahead.
Absolutely, and this time around, I think after COVID, a lot of us have gotten used to doing our festive shopping online, right, compared to offline. So that is the big focus area this time around. We are going to look at how retail trends are shaping up. But a report by Redseer has said that e-commerce gross merchandise value for the week ended September is up 27% versus last year. And the number of shoppers and the average spending has also clocked in a significant rise online. So to discuss the trends both in the offline and online world, we're joined now by Kumar Rajagopalan, the CEO at Retailers Association of India, and Tarun Pathak, who's the Research Director at Counterpoint. Gentlemen, morning to both of you. Mr. Rajagopalan, I want to first start with you. Has the consumer preference changed post-COVID? Are you seeing more online sales and hence is it eating into the offline channel?
Good morning and season's greetings to all of you. I think this is the first year after 2 years that everybody is out there shopping, feeling the sense of cheer. So I would not say that things have shifted dramatically. Fact is that consumers are thinking differently now. They want to think about what they want to buy. They want to think about how do they get it. There is a sense of immediacy, and then there is a sense of discounts. And there is also this need for making sure that they trust the person who is selling to them. So I think that's a complex set of things that's happening. The online sales is increasing, but I think the offline sales is also rocking currently. We've seen that East, which is normally the indicator for the way business grows, has clocked very well. They have shown 25% growth already, and I'm expecting the latest results to come in. So things should be nice there. And normally what happens in the East is reflected in the other parts of the country because Pujo shopping happens first there, and then the Diwali and the other things start here, rest of the country. So shopping is expected to be good. The kind of items that were worrisome during the pandemic are doing now very well. So if you look at garments, if you look at wearable accessories, jewelry, eating out, all this is doing really well. Beauty and cosmetics is doing very well also because people are wanting to go out, meet people. They are buying more beauty products. Also, people from abroad are coming in and buying here. So it's been a good part. For many retailers, of course, it's an omni-channel world. So they're not really bothered whether people are buying online or offline. But one thing is for sure, there is a sense of parity that's happening between offline and online in the way in which offers are being given, or for that matter, service levels are being accorded to the customers.
As you said, things are rocking. Market has come back into the green. Mr. Rajagopalan, just have the Nifty up, please. We are in the green. And we're the day's highest point as well, 17,334. Look at that. I mean, it's a sharp recovery we've seen. And I think we've got the Bank Nifty, which has also cut its losses. I mean, that's basically, Bank Nifty is at the day's high. It's down 0.6%, but it's come back almost to the day's highest point. Maybe just a quick look at the Nifty IT space as well, which is flipped into the green. It's up about 0.2% or so. So that impulse to buy the dip, very much there, and that's showing up. Can we do a lot today? That remains to be seen, given the fact that later in the US, we have that jobs number, which I think will, at least in the very near term, decide the fate for global markets. Nigel.